live and everything. About to send a Zoom. Mic test.
You seen those water bottles I left for y'all?
Or
The two big water bottles out there.
oh shit, I didn't even see him. I'm low key about to go grab one. That's crazy. I was just thinking about getting water. Read my mind. The Zoom one is perfect.
Where it's perfect, both fit.
This is just in the way, but it's fine.
It's fine. It don't matter.
As long as they can see us, we good.
Bro, what's your obsession with my shoelace?
If she start biting on them, just let me know. I'll kick her ass out. Alright, Zoom is about to go get sent. When we do the podcast, I'm thinking the view we do is just gonna be
Maybe right here.
I was gonna say, yeah, we bring these chairs like this, have this as the background, or vice versa, we face this way. But I feel like background wise, it would be thorough because I have this color, so that light and this light. So when you like it's behind, it's like two different lights kind of split. Like you know the Iman Ghazi effect in a sense. Like it has that kind of background. And I think it'll be thorough if we have like the computers. It kind of just shows.
Still traders.
Like it gives the environment, if that makes sense.
Wore a suit today because I was like,
Shit, if
niggas gonna be seeing it, like, why he wearing a suit?
they definitely will, but if it comes down to it, I have a little black shit in a black little suit. I'll put that shit on too.
Facts. Throw that shit on. Make some content.
They like, why y'all got a suit on? I'm like, shit, he had a suit on at 8 a.m. I had to catch up.
I had this shit on since 6.
6 is crazy. And he drove, yeah. The commitment. But all right, so now everything's live. Live stream's here. I'm about to send the link in your chat. Everything's sent when it comes to these links. Now I'm about to immerse myself in these charts after I get this water.
Still in the previous days, highs to be ran. Previous, that's really what I'm looking for.
You want a headset? I got another one like this, like the podcast one.
Yeah, I was at home. I don't know why I didn't bring. Couldn't bring everything. I forgot.
Shit, that's cool. As long as you bring stuff that I don't got, then we good. I got a whole bunch of shit here, bro. When it comes to like mics, headsets, extra wires. Look at this. I literally got mics and mics in here.
Look, you know, OD on the production. You bought this shit when you first came, right?
Yeah, I bought all of this like when I first came. Like I had that shit when I was at the pot, like when I was at the Airbnb.
You was ready.
I was prepared. Like it was one of them things where you were excited about starting a new endeavor, and you start,
Buy everything.
you buy everything, you start doing all the research.
Scale up real quick.
I enjoyed it though, but I'm glad I still got it. Cause shit, even though I took a break, I still got the shit to keep doing it. But now, what's going on, Ace? I see you in here, Birdie. What's going on, Dry? What's up, bro? We got Kino here, real time.
And I got that shit on.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna put my little black suit on. Black suit with a fucking do-rag. They gonna be like, who is this guy?
That's gonna be crazy as hell.
They gonna be like, who is this guy?
What the hell's going on there?
I'm like, we about to teach you guys how to trade. Yeah, honestly, the fact that we had a retracement already makes me pretty comfortable knowing there could be just a major push going into the New York session.
That's
But
what I'm saying. It might be a push.
But depending on where it is, like if it stays around these highs going into 930, I may think about the short still if it
I
can.
still want shorts personally, but I want the run off the previous day highs first on 30.
30.
Nas
Yeah.
already gave it. XPX. Let me look at XPX.
Yo, what's going on? Decent.
What's good? What's good?
Dyson.
What's going on, Brody? Kino, he said, "What's up?"
What up, bro? Let me put my headphones on.
Yo, what's up? I'm out and about. Shit, it was crazy 90 pips. I'm like, what the fuck?
On what pair?
On NASDAQ.
Oh yeah, that
So I
shit
was just like,
pushing.
okay, I'm gonna get like this. Shit, yeah.
It's still early though. That's why I'm just waiting. Cause the way I look at it, we're either gonna get a short at 9:30, or we're gonna just keep pushing. And then if it keeps pushing, that shit might just keep going. But if it can come back into this range at 9:30, I definitely think we'll be able to get good longs from around like that 14,370 to 14,400 area.
All of them ran the highs. Previous day. XPX ran and Nas. Let me see. US 30 is the only one that didn't run it yet.
Yeah, but I think 30 is definitely gonna run. Matter of fact, 30 didn't run the high. Or are you talking about the previous day's high?
Yeah, previous day high.
Yeah, 30 has way
Yeah, I
more
seen
room.
30 in red.
30 is kind of slow right now.
It's 9:16.
I think 930 is gonna push up.
That's what I'm thinking, but I want to see where we end off. Because if we hug like these previous days highs and keep rejecting going into 9:30, I may take the 9:30 short into the area that I'm looking for the longs. Because there's a chance that one, this could end up just being reversal, and then I wouldn't even have to think about longs no more. But I also just want to see this fair value gap get filled. But we gonna see.
Good point.
It's Wednesday though, so shit. It could also just wick this high, come back into the range, and just slow down. So we just gonna take it slow, candle by candle. And what's DXY doing? DXY is pushing.
That's on
Oh man.
So are we
It's weird,
are we following it today? Maybe. I don't know, but I'm about to get what? You join the Zoom?
Yeah. I'm in Zoom.
All right, bet.
Who in here? Who in here? We got Dyson and Ace. What up, bro?
You're muted.
Yeah, I know. I can hear myself in this.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Oh, all right,
That's why I
bet.
muted myself.
Are y'all doing the interview?
Nah, yeah, we gonna do one.
I look like I'm an interview.
He look like he about to interview me for a fucking job. I'm about to get water.
Why do you want to work for NAS 100?
Yo, Luna.
Yeah, I'll like listen to like a little song, 5 minutes and all that.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. You did the face she be doing.
The buys is going crazy right now. Maybe I could have cooked.
Like this shit right there gives me this energy. Look at this. Where's that? This is gonna be the
One-on-ones would have got caught right here. Small move. All right, the highs got ran. I'm looking for shorts now. These
gives
one.
me that energy.
Let's go. Damn, this would have been easy money buys. Definitely missed these buys right here. Maybe next time. Damn, look at 9:30. 9:30 make this shit put. I missed the easy money buys. Fuck. All good. I seen it too. Fuck. This was easy money bars into the pre-stay hot. I should have definitely seen this. I don't know how I missed this. Let's see if I can catch yourselves. If not, then fuck it. Nothing for the day.
Today's gonna be a crazy day. We got F1C, Jerome Powell. Oh yeah, I forgot you got the 10 o'clock news. So you already know the deal with that.
We got a little bit of 10 o'clock news too. That's a fact.
Uh-huh.
TP2 would have been here. What up, Gil? What up, my boy?
That audio.
Oh, for damn, TP2 would have been hit slap. Easy.
I don't know what's using my photos since 2020. No, 2020, 2018. Something about 2020. Shit, a long time ago.
What?
Shit, right. Fuck. Fuck. Yeah, I ain't Jerry.
That shit going bullish.
It might just keep going bullish, bro.
Yeah. One thing I would watch for, if it comes back into that gap, like after, like 10 o'clock or after. Because Nas is pushing and 30s. Damn, 30's going for that high. It's all good. It's all good. Patience.
TP2 would have been hit.
Yeah, that's down near like what 1,000 pips on you 30.
Damn.
No, that's a 30. Oh, my bad, got my math wrong. That's almost 200 pips. You know why people like trading this thing? You get, you got the sell in the buy. That's all right. 400 or 500 pips right there for you for the day.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, when price be this high, the only thing I could do is just wait,
Gotta wait.
especially because I'm not a breakout trader. I'm either have to wait for gaps to be filled or something. Let me check the 4 hour. Maybe it's about to fill a 4 hour. Oh, okay. Nas is at a 4 hour gap. I'll give it that, but it's not any major weekly. Oh, it's at a monthly fair value gap. Don't know if that will be of importance, but we gonna see if it does hold this 4 hour gap. Let's see how it reacts with it.
What's up, Kels? Kels, where you at, my boy? You look like you're on a flight.
Oh yeah. His Wi-Fi about to get locked away.
They all pushing. Fuck. I should have seen this. Why didn't I see this?
It's cool. It could push. I still like shorts. At least till the areas. Like that 1 hour area. Yeah, right now NASA's playing around this 4 hour gap. If it continues to hold it and gets a good rejection, 930, that may be an area to short, but we gonna see. Especially if it can happen when 30 runs that previous day's high and have that confluence of both. S&P is just pushing. It's not really in anywhere.
They all doing the same thing.
Yeah, it's just a matter of like what it has price wise, because 30's running for all these highs. I definitely think shorts are possible going into 930. I don't know if I'm gonna be willing to risk it, but we finna see.
I don't know if I'm ready to risk that either.
Cause I like where it is, but I also like where it was the last 2 days. So we gonna see. I'm low risk today though, since the last 2 days we're losing, so it don't even matter. It don't even matter. It's all practice. It's all practice. I'm just trying to post it short, but I'm trying to get it done before 9:30. Gotta have my attention there.
What's good, Ann?
What's up, Anna? You joined right at 9:30. We about to see. Right now, I'm looking for possible shorts. I'm watching to see what price does after it ran this high. So I'm potentially watching shorts to see price come lower because I'm bearish. But it's 9:30, and this could easily just die, or it could fucking open up and be 15 points higher, 20 points higher. It's a lot of waiting we about to do, but we gonna see what we can do.
Really nothing to do for the meantime. I think I'm gonna just wait through 9:30, see if it builds structure again and break.
Yeah, I'm just watching this 4 hour gap, and if it keeps holding before it gets back below the previous day's high, that'll still be about a 31 point stop if it 100% comes back below. Gotta get these charts right. Yeah, get the candle for them. That's how you gotta do it.
Alright, I see reversals, possible reversals in a 1 hour. They came and ran the highs, possible reversals there.
And DXY, yeah, DXY shooting for the stars. So that can mean two things. That means we're either going to be able to get a good short off of this area.
I think the shirts is playing out right now.
That's what I'm thinking. Look what I'm doing. I'm starting to get my thing on there to measure how everything will look.
Yeah, this shit about to drop. Fuck.
Thinking 30 or 40 points. I just don't want to hop in and then the open just
Wake you up.
Yeah. But it could go either way. It could be very beneficial that I get in early, or very not official.
Let's see.
Yeah, look at that. Got a little push. I'm going to give it some time. If I could see a hold, then I'll think about it. But right now, it's definitely more bullish than anything. Watching this previous day's high for 30. Yeah, NASA's in a tricky spot. This is a big ass candle, so any shorts right now, unless it turns to a wick, would not be advised. Oh yeah, you're gonna see the live action in real time. Hopefully, we can get something today because every day's not a trading day. Every day's not gonna be a trade, but there's definitely opportunities every day. It's just a matter of if you'll be willing to take them. And US30 has a wick. We shall see. Yo, what's up, Cal? How's the other side of the world?
Rainy, cold.
Rainy and cold. Yeah, it sounds like Florida. You ain't missing nothing. Okay, now we're starting to get some wick rejection. What's 30 doing? 30 shorts. All right, I'm hopping for shorts on Nas. Yeah, I like Nas personally. I could see it on 32. I just like that Nas actually ran the highs.
30 ran the highs too, but it's already moving.
It has the previous day's high too. It just has way more. If that makes sense.
Let me see. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna take Nas shorts. I'm gonna test this first trade idea, and if this one doesn't play out, I got one last one. Entries at 442. Where's 442? We gonna see. 472. Is this 30 points? 442. Yeah, it's like right in here, right under that gap. We're gonna see. This is gonna be the first initial entry. Ooh, that shit getting bullish.
I've been trying to catch shorts all week.
483. Shit, I've been trying to catch a trade all week. These last 2 days have been cooked. Cookie.
I didn't trade yesterday.
Oh yeah, this shit flying. Well, 30's not. It's cool. We shall wait.
It's slow.
Yeah, if we can wick this fair value gap on the 4 hour, this one right here, that would be ideal. But right now, trying to push. 30's having the reaction I want. Damn you, Nas.
Cool. I see structure on Nas. I like Nas.
For what? Longs?
But Nas is overall longs.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Nas would only be valid if it can wick with this candle, like on the hour. But if it keeps going how it's going, maybe runts for the shorts right now. But 30's having the reaction I wanted. Like after running the high and had a wick, that's what I wanted to see on Nas. Unfortunately, we shall see. But Nas is out of there. What's S&P doing? Even S&P has a little bit of a wick. Is there any daily areas Nas may be reaching for?
Nah, I think US 30 was the one, bro.
That's what I'm saying. 30 had like good reaction after running the high. I just wish 30 would have ran that previous day's high. That would have been like a perfect scenario. Cause like it got mad close. And then Nas over here playing. But Nas, I'll give you time. It's a waiting game today. Waiting game. It's crazy. In DXY, ever since 9:30, it hasn't even moved. Like it was already this bullish past 9:30. Like it looked like this before 9:30. It's still there. Shit just slow down.
Shit just died.
30's dying. And I'm just waiting for Nas to create this wick. That shit just pushing.
We got 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news.
Might be a 10 o'clock move.
Yeah, ICM, PMI, Joe Jobs. Might get 10 o'clock move. I'm good today if I don't even take a trade. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, if this is the only one, then that's straight for me. Because I don't want it to just keep ranging. So if it just keeps pushing and then I was just wrong on the direction, it's cool.
It's probably pushing back up. We're still to that weekly open that I had mentioned last time.
Yeah, I see that on Nas too, bro. Nas looks very bullish.
And that's just struggling to create a wick.
He looks bullish, bro. I'm telling you.
No, for me to catch the sell, I got to see my price hit underneath the 21 MA and close, which I have not seen it. Do for a while.
Yeah, I'm more. I know what I like to see a lot of time. That's why I'm just more comfortable getting in. Like if I would have hopped in on 30,
Or it might do build up until the 10 o'clock news kick in and then really whip for the downside or push up even further.
yeah, and right now the way looking, it definitely looks like it want to push, but I'm just waiting for this candle to fully close for me to really have a hard decision. Because 30's dropping. 30's dropping.
I don't know if I'm gonna be late if I catch these shorts because I see an area I want, but it's like deep.
If it don't drop, I would expect. Damn, that's 100 points. Shit. Like from where 30 is to that high, the wick is 85. Sheesh. 30 be moving. Not moving as much as Nas though. Yeah, Nas this week has not been thorough.
30 even, bro.
That's an FP week.
NFP week, bruv. NFPs.
Fuck everything up. Last week was solid, bro.
Mm-hmm. Last 2 weeks.
Solid.
Last 2 weeks been
That's
thorough.
usually what happens at the end of the month. The last 2 weeks, he's super solid. Okay, I like the drop on 30. I might be looking for buys now. Not gonna lie.
One thing that you could watch is if Nas really doesn't drop, 30 may just be giving that pullback to the 1 hour gap that I was talking about and then fly from there at 10 o'clock. Especially if Nas can't like pull back at all and it just keeps going higher and DXY keeps going higher, then I think 30 is more than likely just gonna follow along. Just not just delayed, if that makes sense. Because even S&P pushing.
30 look like it's building
Oh,
up.
but wouldn't that be like a correlation?
Yeah, but
the dollar goes up.
Shit, they are correlated right now. They're all bullish, dollar and the indexes. So they correlate when they want to. I don't really know when they do and don't a lot of the time. But shit, today they are apparently.
No, I heard like this, right? If they're not doing the opposite, then expect some consolidation. But now it's just, as you can see, it's trending.
Yeah, it's real iffy with the correlations a lot of time. That's why I try not to pay too much mind, because they could say if they're all doing the same thing, one will consolidate, but then you're just like, okay, now which one? Then you end up trading the wrong one anyway. So it's like, all right.
Yeah, it's the catch.
It really comes down to just risk management, understanding if you lose, you lose. If you win, you win, regardless. Because shit, there's been times where the trade, I literally just been on the wrong pair. Like if I would have took the same trade idea that I took on Nas, I would be in deep profit right now. If I just been on 30. This really comes down to just letting it happen. Follow the process.
I got a buy stop set on 30. I like these little pies right here. From previous day highs to go higher.
I'm trying to see if 30 wants to come into that 1 hour gap, but I'm thinking if it does, it might happen at 10 or after.
Let's see 30. I got the buy stop. If it don't tap me in, I'll just remove it.
Yeah, all of them are rejecting except for Nas. Nas is a little bitch. Little bitch.
30's dropping lower. Okay, okay.
Yeah, Nas is pushing even higher. Nas was not it today.
That's why I feel like it's gonna keep pushing. Like
That's what I'm thinking for
some
30. Because not even just that, S&P's pretty high up there too. It's having a wick, yeah, but damn, their Nas just keeps going. Watching these other ones, watching them drop, and I'm watching Nas is doing the total opposite. That's just tough. Very tough.
let's see. Let's see. I'm still looking for these buys on 30.
Yeah, Nas is just going. No wick in sight.
XPX is still going too though.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, Nas is about to get me. RIP on Nas. My stop loss a little bit different on my broker. It's 83, but 83 on this broker is not 83. Yeah, ain't. I use Osprey. It just took me out. RIP.
Oh, you heard what happened with Hugo's weight and KOT? I'm like, what?
Nah, I haven't. I don't even be paying attention to a lot of these brokers.
Yeah, I don't pay attention either.
No, people couldn't get access to the Hugo's weight or KOT account. I'm like, bruh.
That's crazy.
Like,
Yeah, that shit
because
flying.
of the upgrades and stuff. No, because they say they're upgrading their system.
Oh, well, that's not a bad thing. Could be a good thing. Well, I don't care.
Yeah, Nas is gone. What's the rest doing? Longs definitely seem like very possible right now.
Oh, Nas is going crazy.
Yeah, Nas.
Yeah, I could have got two. I could have got 150 pips off the.
Yeah,
Damn, yeah,
Nas
150
going
pips.
dumb.
Jeez.
That's I'm waiting
That's
for 30
going.
to go buys. Come on, 30. Come on, 30.
30's at the 4 hour gap.
I'm looking for buys from here.
I definitely wanted to see it come to this 1 hour though. Yeah, Nas, you're chalked up for the week. You've done me a disservice this week. Yeah.
This 30 just keeps dropping. What the fuck?
Shit, I wish 30 did everything I was looking for, and I was
just keeps dropping, bro.
and I was on Nas, fucking Nas.
I gotta remove my sell limit. Start over. Feel like it's just building up liquidity, maybe. I like shorts, but from right here, it did create that nice wick. If you look at it, if it closes like this, it might just go crazy drop.
If 30 ends up having a full reversal, I'd be sick. Because I don't know what Nas is doing. I'm not even going to trade Nas no more today. I'm cool off it. It's in that range. So even if it does have a drop off, the chances of this shit reversing fully are just very high, not high probability. Yeah, we going to see. 30 though. 30 did everything I wanted.
Probably would have had TP2 if you stick to 30.
Not real shit. Got in maybe over here. I just wish it would have ran that previous day's high. If it were in that previous day's high, I'd be even more sure that it might not even come back higher.
Oh, happen is in between. That's right. But
Mm-hmm.
dang, it's a lot of pips.
Yeah, I don't even got no areas on that, so I couldn't even watch, even if I wanted to. It's just out of there.
30 doing the same shit I did yesterday. It's just building up liquidity. I gave up on like the third time I did it, but I'm not giving up on it today. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm watching that 1 hour gap I was talking about earlier.
I at least want a one to one. Give me a one to one,
Oh,
I'm
now it's about to rip like
fine.
Blade Blade.
He said about to rip. All right, let's go 30. 30's about to hit me. Mm-hmm. Let's drop the markup in the chat.
Yeah, this is what I'm looking at right now. Something like that. If we can come down, but
Oh, tap me in. Let's go.
there's the news at 10, so that's what I might wait for if it doesn't get there by then.
I think I'm one and done though. So if this doesn't work out, I'm one and done. It's a lot of shit going on today. I don't really want to be a part of it.
The only thing is I'm not gonna trade. Sure, I made my money. I don't need it. Trade at 2 a.m.
2 p.m.
I'm good on that.
2 p.m. But yeah. I just noticed my charts look confusing to somebody that doesn't know what I'm doing.
Simplicity.
Man, I don't care to make your shit look simple for somebody else. I really don't.
Not even that. Just for you.
Now I understand everything that's happened, bro.
Nah, yeah, you probably understand it, but you could probably have it simpler. Because, like you said, you'll know. Half the time, other people don't know. That's why I have labels on my shit.
Nah, fuck it. I remember seeing Drewski charts. I was like, what the fuck?
Nah, his charts are crazy. He has
His
all them
charts is
lines.
crazy.
His just be looking like,
But my shit looking like his.
look,
I'm like, oh, I
his
get
should
it
be
now.
like this.
Yeah, I'm like, I get it.
All
now.
different
I
colors.
see it. I get it.
Like, I kind of feel you.
All right, let's see if I get TP1. TP1 is all I need for the day. And I'm
Shoot,
gone.
I'm up on US 30.
Come on, US
Chilling.
30. Stop playing with me.
The XY is having a wick now. So let's see if that wick's gonna cause everything to push. Or cause everything to bullshit.
Come on, don't bullshit me, bitch.
We gonna see.
Not real shit.
Look at US 30 bullshit. Us usual fucking bitch.
Should got both into
My
NAS
TP,
and US 30.
my TP1 ain't even the highs, bro. It's like a little bit underneath. Like, come on, just give me TP1. TP1, and that's all I'm asking for, bitch.
Shoot, man, this could give me
Oh, let's
200
go.
pips. This be
TP1,
US
let's
30.
go. Come on. Few more pips. Give me TP1. Break even.
Oh yeah, it's pushing now. NAS
Lock
is
in some
going.
profits.
Yeah, DXY is starting to reject. I could see it all pushing. I wish it went to this gap though. If it just flies like the rest, then that first trade was probably just it for me.
Just a little bit more, please. Just a little bit more. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Come on. You bitch. This shit got so close. Come on, please. No, Dyson, you jumped into another buy?
Yeah, man, on US 30.
Bro, you not good
I
with
was like,
that
oh,
banger from this morning? You not good with that?
it was too good, man. I mean, I put it in profit though, but I take 30 news.
If you're already in profit, then I can't really say nothing because you can't lose. Good shit, my bro. Good shit.
Shoot.
I hope I get the TP1 before 10 o'clock news. Come on, cause I don't want to be a part of no wick if it happens. Come on, TP1.
I think the high is gonna get ran regardless. It's just a matter of time because everything else is bullish.
Come on, TP1.
Yeah, they're all bullish as fuck.
Let me in, bitch. Let me in. TP1. TP1 about to get hit. TP1.
The real questions I would be asking is it gonna get hit before or after 10 o'clock?
That's really the thing.
That's a good question.
But I think it's gonna get hit regardless. So it's just a waiting game.
I think I want to take off the wrist now. Move stops the break even. I don't like this.
I think you good, bro.
Now it's reversing.
I think you good, bro. Trust. Just look at everything else, and then ask yourself: do you think 30 is gonna be the only one to do the opposite today?
Right.
And it's possible, but considering it already looks like it, I think it's still gonna go for that high.
But when? That's the thing. I'd be right about the direction, wrong about the time.
Timing be everything, yeah. But considering 10 o'clock, I think it's likely to run that high. It's just a matter of waiting. But if you're risk free, don't you got like 3 trades anyway?
Nah, I'm not risk free yet.
Yeah, I was just. God damn, it's been 40 minutes. Can't have TP hit. Wow. While it's gone, they gonna think we're cameras. They gonna think we're scammers. They gonna be like, their trade was about to hit and they got off live.
Hold it down for me, bro. I don't wanna. Nah, it looks like it's coming to take me out, bitch. You dumb bitch.
Yeah, that shit ended right when his trade was about to hit. But we back though. Back like we never left.
Nope. Shit reversing right back to my entry, bro.
What's your stop loss? Or what? So we know what your TP
is. 3306.
What's the stop loss like? So I know what your TP is, like point wise.
3314. 33014. And my TP1 is 33129.
Yeah.
TP1.
I think the only reason your trade isn't fully playing out yet is because US30 is more correlated with DXY than the rest, in my opinion. DXY is just struggling.
It's moving. All right, let's go.
TP?
My stop loss to break even. Fuck it. If it don't get hit, it don't get hit. Because it made new lows, so I don't want to be a part of this trade anymore.
Yeah, if the dollar keeps dropping like this, 30 should easily run these highs. I think it's just slow until the 10 o'clock right now, honestly. It's probably the only thing, just a lack of volume. 9:30 probably wasn't as strong because of the news from this morning.
But the news is trash. Do you see the candle?
The 8 o'clock candle.
8:15.
Yeah, but look at the whole 8 o'clock hour though. It's pretty bullish, and that's on all of them across all the indexes. It was pretty bullish, and even the 8 o'clock candle on the dollar. It's a big ass what would this call a pin bar? I don't even know.
Well, I'm risk free. I can't lose, so fuck it.
Win's a win. Now we just wait.
Small wins, fuck it. Until I get TP1.
It's just slow.
Yeah, it's pretty slow too. It is Wednesday, so I can't even act surprised.
Yeah, I'm telling you, if the dollar just keeps on failing to drop any lower, because like look at how it looks. The dollar, it's been just like the 8 o'clock candle. Essentially, they're almost the same candle. If this keeps dropping, it just becomes like another wick. It's just indecision.
Once it
Shoot,
break
I'm
this,
up
I'm telling
70
you, it's gonna
pips
pick
on
up.
US 30 already. I'm like, what the?
Come on, US
That's
30.
overkill.
Yeah, 30 be moving.
That's over.
Shit, that 9 o'clock candle on 30 is 130 points alone. Big ranges. Nash is seeing a wick now. Yeah, it's the dollar. That's what it is.
Yeah, I already moved my stops to break even, so I'm chilling. Whatever happens.
The dollar is bullshitting with these indexes. We got 4 minutes though. Something's gonna happen. I don't know what, but something gonna happen. But yeah, one thing, Anna, that you gonna have to know. Sometimes shit is just slow, and you're just gonna be here. Sometimes here for nothing, cause you ain't even gonna end up taking nothing.
The learning curve is gonna be vicious, though. I gotta be honest with you.
Yeah, but it all gets easier. It's just like learning a language.
Just
Gets easier over
believe
time.
it's gonna break you down before it builds you up.
Has to be done. Has to be done. Just like anything though. Shit, it's the same thing with a job. Job gonna fucking make you hate them before they do anything worth even staying for.
Never do anything worth staying for.
Nah, there's certain jobs that will definitely keep you comfortable. Like they'll pay you enough and give you just enough time to where you're like, do I really need to do anything else? Because the thing is, it comes down to, do you want to do something else or do you need to? If you don't
I
need
think
to,
it's just a personal thing, because
yeah,
a job can't make you comfortable if you like whatever they're giving you is just not.
it really depends. Because if they pay you enough and give you enough free time,
What is enough though? That's up to you.
yeah. But
That's
I say
subjective.
for majority people, say you were getting paid 70, 60 to 100, like anything within that. But you also had 3 days off. You had 100%. You had enough to 100% pay off all your bills, and have money and have free time. So then that's like you gotta keep in mind. Most people aren't gonna be the ambitious. Most people, like you said, it comes down to what they want. Most people aren't gonna want more. You know what I mean? And that's why a lot of people end up getting trapped in that shit.
True.
Some of them do get trapped because they don't even got an option. They don't even like it, but it's just.
Bro, they got kids. They got mouth to feed.
Shit, I feel it, but like, I don't even have 100% like reasoning. It's more or less just gotta do what you gotta do. I want to, you know what I mean? Shit, a lot of people don't have them dreams and visions So once they got a job that pays for everything they need, in a sense, they good. Now it's time to actually enjoy life in their eyes.
They call it work-life balance.
Yeah, my life is work. My work-life balance is not there. I woke up and immediately be editing reels.
There's no such thing as work-life balance. That shit don't exist. Unless you're like a 9 to 5er. But
Even then, it's not even really balanced. It's still like more of one.
ooh.
It flew?
That shit
Okay,
jump.
Oh yeah,
By the time you get
that
home,
10 o'clock.
you get home from the job, you try to take a shower, you try to do what you, boom, you're not gonna have the time to,
All right,
Hold
I'm
on,
watching
phone.
Previous Is High. My fault to cut you off though, Birdie. I'm listening. But it's facts though. The time, like time management, is one of the biggest things with people.
Oh shit.
I'm watching shorts
I'll go as
at
far
Previous
as
Is
this.
High.
It's the biggest reason why. It's the biggest reason why a lot of people get fired from the job because they can't show up on their jobs on time.
That's a fact.
Damn. Should I take it? It still left this little gap on my. Damn. Fuck it. I'm gonna take it.
I'm watching the shorts. as a last little
Fuck it,
trade.
took it.
What?
Fuck
Took it off?
Took it. Yeah, I took it. Fuck it.
Hey, fuck it.
Fuck
Oh,
it.
I'm in proper. I'm chilling.
I'm watching the shorts at the previous day's high, and that's just my last little trade of the day. Essentially,
That shit.
10 o'clock volume, just looking to target that fair value gap.
That shit was building up and building up and building.
And it just opened.
And
It opened at the high.
Just popped right open.
But yeah,
Oh yeah, I seen created that gap.
US 30 shorts is my last trade. Ideally looking to target that 1 hour for value gap. So if this shit just ends up flying, then it is what it is. I'll take that. Because I'm bullish overall, but do I think it's going to 100% just keep flying? Not really.
That's crazy.
Let's see how much
Possible,
did I
though.
take from that just now. I took 600. It's
How
not
much were
bad.
you
I was
risking?
risking 500.
It's
just
the
came
one-to-one,
back and
though.
dropped. It's the 1-to-1. No, I wanted the 1-to-1 too, but it's all good.
Shit, it gave you what you needed.
It's about to
Damn,
load
man.
for
Now I
TP
see
too,
why.
though.
I just it's sort of like my first time really getting into US 30. I could see why, bro. Just that one trade and you chilling, bro.
Bro, I
But if
love
you get in the
US
wrong
30.
side, though, you're fucked.
Nah, real shit.
Love US 30.
I like Nas sometimes. I don't know. I like both. They both move similar. It's just certain days I like one over the other.
Look at 30 now. It's going right back to TP2. I should have just left it. Fuck
Yeah.
it.
It just turned 10 though. Like that was just 2 minutes. I just like where it is. The fact that it ran this high, 10 o'clock. I'll take the chance if it
It
lows.
was on my broker. Like price jumped, and then I seen it coming back to close the gap. So I was like, "Fuck it, let me take it."
Yeah, there's a whole gap. Like, the gap was a little bit filled. Not really filled.
Most times they do,
Crazy.
especially on the 1 minute. That gap is getting filled.
Yeah, more than likely. We're going to see what this does, though. Especially because it's happening this week. Regardless if this trade plays out or not, I like the reactions it's having. And this is definitely, since it's Wednesday, there's still a chance we could be making the high of the week.
Yeah, I'm one and done though. I'm ready for the pod.
I feel it.
I feel it.
But nah, what's up, Royal? What's up, Birdie?
Royal? What's up, Birdie?
What's up, Brody?
Who that?
I ain't locked in with y'all in a long ass time, bro.
It's cool. We still here.
It's
We still
cool.
here.
Hell yeah, I still been, putting in my reps and shit, trying to manage my impulsive ass decisions in the market.
Shit. At least you realize it's you and you're not blaming nothing else. That's a big thing most people don't even get to.
Nah, for sure, bro. I think I deposited I was just trying to do a small build again, cause I work in the film industry, bro. So shit just been a little bit hard. I've been out of work for almost 5 months. So I just been hustling, just trying to get bread any way I can. So I put a little. I think I did only $10. And I ran the $10 up to $100. And
Thorough.
my compound plan all right, bet if I can at least make, I think it was 20% or some shit a day. I don't know, however I was scalping it at the time. It was the shit was gonna work out, but on that Friday when I got to the 100 of my plan, I fucking blew it.
That's when you take more trades. You take 1-2 trades, and it risks the whole thing.
No, we reached to go take and withdraw that money, man. Withdraw that money.
Bro, I know, bro.
It's hard to withdraw when you don't think it's a lot.
Yeah, well,
It's a mental thing a lot of times too.
The other time this shit happened to me, when I was working and I did have the capital, I put in $3 grand on a Wednesday.
On a Wednesday. He said middle of the week. He said middle of the
Dude, that
week.
shit, I already know what that's
Bruh.
doing.
I was just thirsty as hell, right? Look, I think it was on Tuesday, because on Wednesday I made a band, on Thursday I made a band, on Friday I made a band. So I was at 6 bands
Dang.
on Friday. On Saturday,
Boy.
I over leveraged on Bitcoin, blew the whole 6 racks.
On Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yes, bro.
Trading be having some crazy stories. There's people probably look at us like we some dumbasses, but whole time there really was a thought process behind it at some point. Everything we did, a lot of the time we thought would have played out. It just comes down to why we even thought it, and then after the fact, you're like, I don't even know.
And then you be like, that was just gambling. That was on me.
And then that's the main
Yeah,
thing. A
we-
lot of the time, bro, you just got to get past that like first couple hours after a
Shorts
loss.
look nice. My fault. My fault, bro.
Now you good, but you just got to get past that first couple hours after you do some dumb shit to like get over it. Because if you just stay in it, you keep doing dumb shit. Like you keep thinking about it, you keep
Yeah,
trying
so
to
you
fix
gotta
it back.
close everything,
Bro, you
bro.
got to
That's where killing
erase
starts.
everything. Like
You
don't go
gotta
back on the
close
chart.
Everything.
I know.
Take
you
a
can't even look at
shower.
your fucking
You
inbox.
can't look at your phone. You can't open MT5. You can't look at where the
'Cause,
charge
bro,
Yeah,
went.
you so right,
You're
bro.
still in the same mindset.
It be the littlest thing. You see something change. Like say it's 9:30, you took 2 losses, you're done for the day. But then like 9:45, 9:50 comes, and you're like, damn, this is setting up nice for 10 o'clock. This might play out. If I can get a 1-2, I can make both back. And then you lose that one. Now you're down 3.
When you mess up 1-2, it's over with, bro. You already taking enough trades.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna ever trade?
Now, trust me, it happens to everybody, bro. It's called
Nah, yeah,
tilt.
it's gonna help. It's gonna happen if it hasn't. And when it does, you just gotta learn to like.
No,
You gotta
I-
learn
Nah,
why it
you know
happened.
what's worse?
I think
Yo, you know what's worse when you win all the time. Like all you do is win, and then you get that one trade. Oh man, I'm terrible.
When you lose, and then it throws you until you're like, why the fuck did I lose?
Mhm.
Let's make that back.
It all it takes is one day. Not even one day, bro. It takes 10 fucking minutes, bro.
Right.
Like we be saying it takes one day because it's like one trading day, but in reality, it just takes a couple of bad thoughts to just make
And
the,
it's
the littlest
Bruh,
thing.
That should take one bad thought, bro.
That's
You
it.
remember that recording y'all had a CPI nigga where that shit reversed like crazy.
All it took was the fact that I even said I should get out. I didn't get out, and just from not getting out, everything got cooked.
You know what's
Everything.
crazy? We was on the live, and this nigga Andre is up TP5. I was
6.
like, why are you still holding
6.
it?
I remember,
Let me tell
bro.
you-
I
let me tell you
Six.
something, let me
remember.
tell
So
you-
what are you still holding
Yo,
off
let me
for?
tell you something. I mean, it was last year, right? I was trading CPI. My analysis was right. This shit, I had my whole stop loss. They slipped my stop loss. Man. And it went to the
That's
direction
what
I
it
was
did
seeing
to
it was
us,
gonna
bro.
go wild. And my whole account was gone. I was like, wow.
That's what it did to us, bro.
You can't be kidding me. You gotta
Bruh.
be kidding me.
I lie to y'all not. I don't think people realize how much that hurt. Considering, let's put this in a perspective. I was holding that trade because that trade would have passed the entire challenge just with that one trade. Like I went from being up 0%, being down 0% to up 6% in the one trade before CPI news. Like keep that in mind. I was up a 1-6 before the news. So my mindset was, I just need a couple of points. I just need the news to keep it a couple of
no.
points.
Shit, I'm up 6 pins. What's really the chances of this shit coming back?
Bro. Bro, yeah. And then it
Yeah,
slipped my
chances
stop
are
loss,
high.
and I lost 4 times what I was
no.
even willing to lose.
Oh my gosh.
Like, just imagine risking 1,000. You're up 6, and then a news comes out while you're break even, and you lose 4. That
4,000.
shit's just.
Yeah,
This
that
is
make
like damn.
anybody sick.
That make niggas sick to the stomach.
It's the
bro.
type of like you don't even realize what happened, and like you're just sitting there, and everything happens so fast. You're just trying to analyze, and then you look at your phone. There's no trade. You look at the balance. It's a different number, and you're just like, damn.
And you had your stop loss at break even.
Break even. Break
Even
even.
if it's break even, you
It
still
doesn't
gonna
matter.
get cooked.
They
by
gonna slip that
slippage.
shit to hell. They don't care.
Slippage. Slippage is a bitch. But hey, you live and learn. If I ain't go through it, I would have known. Shit.
That's why we stay away from CP.
Haven't traded CPI since. Haven't
been
traded it
months.
since.
Definitely been months.
But yeah, CPI has been crazy though. Like I'll trade NFP. NFP is way better than CPI when it comes to volume. CPI is just
NFP,
crazy.
I'll do it all day, every day. I'm not scared of NFP.
I'm not scared of it right now. I think at some point it might get like stronger again. 'Cause I think they just cycle. Because CPI wasn't always just like a count blower. There was a time where CPI was just like a PPI news.
Yeah, very trash.
But I guess it's just the time, the years. I don't know. Just
Nah,
got to
it's
be
just
aware
the
of when it's
economic
happening.
News events.
Like
CPI.
FOMC.
No, the thing I'm still scared of is FOMC. No, FOMC's already hit or miss, man.
I think it
lucky
used to
with
be
some
worse.
FOMC.
It's still like bad, but I think it used to be like even worse. Cause I know a lot of people like I feel like FOMC used to be what CPI is now, and everything just makes its own like rotations. Like right now, we could trade NFP, and there's chances like you could be in at NFP and not even get stopped out with the volume.
Yeah, it's fact.
And it's
Do
more
a stop loss.
structure. Like shit, I be trading NFP like this is just like 9:30.
Shit, I already know, man.
But this is also coming from people that actually have experience trading. To anybody that doesn't at least have 2 years, them news events gonna confuse you.
Yeah, okay, I'm out of the market. That's it. No, I made my money. I'm good.
Yeah, I'm still in these US 30 shorts. If these don't play out, then that's just it. But
I'm just journaling and I'm done. I'll take my little 600 for the day. It's not a bad day.
hey, win to win.
Man, ain't a little 600, man. The niggas have a hard time making 600. The fuck?
It's not a bad
Shit.
day, bro.
Shit, it'll be niggas who's happy with $80 every day.
Shit, $40 will put gas in my tank. Shit.
There you go.
This shit.
That's that CPI.
No stop loss. And that's a crazy move. Oh my god.
Even with the stop loss, it wouldn't even matter. It was moving too fast.
I hope bro's on a 1 minute, but that shit's on gold and it went from 915 to 920. So that's a move. I don't know who trades gold, but how big is the move from 1915 to 1920?
What the?
I guess that's a big.
gold moving?
Yeah, what a gold.
100 points.
That's a few hundred.
Yeah.
Bro had to be on trading CPI. No stop loss November. Oh man. Come on, 30. Show
Should
me.
be no stop loss November.
It'd be below accounts all November too.
Oh shit. You gonna get one good trade, if that. Yeah, everything's just slow. Volume's just DXY dropped though, which is a good sign.
Oh crap! You already know what that means. Gonna buy. I'm out in the market.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see what this last setup's gonna do, if it's gonna play out or not. But if it doesn't play out by like 10:30, 10:20, then I'll probably just call it. Yeah, everything's not even rejecting no more. NAS is the only one with the big wicks, but even then, what are the
Yeah, all
chances?
last week was nothing but wicks.
I like the wicks. I love the wicks. This week I ain't getting nothing. Nothing. Yesterday 9:30.
The tricky thing about the wicks is right. You can't tell where they exactly close in at unless you like zoom in.
Yeah. Like thing with me, a lot of the time I just know certain areas that I'm paying attention to. So I already have like before the candles and wicks are even formed where I'm looking to enter, and a lot of the time based off those areas it just ends up turning into a wick. Those be my best trades. Like if this right now 30 was to just 100% drop, I would just end up having the wick entry and everyone's gonna look at me like I'm crazy. Like I'm a fucking sniper. But I'm looking at this trade right now while it's going up before the wick.
Yeah, look at US 30, bro. It done stopped all the sellers, man.
Shit. Let's see if I'm about to be next. Because if it takes my ass out, then hey.
I mean, it ran the highs of the day.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to see what this shit gonna do. I'm done with one, waiting for the last one, but I'm done for the day already. Trading is 10% execution. I wouldn't even say 10% at this point. It's like fucking 5. 95% waiting.
Like you gotta believe and knowing your shit. Like you can know all the shit, but you're not gonna execute. Like you got all the shit. Shoot, you can even be right 80% of the time. If you're not executing, it's just as bad as not taking action. I'll call it.
Yeah.
So that goes hand in hand.
I think it's way better though. That way, because at least you can kind of grow into it. It's still like a curve.
Oh man, I seen this again. This is weird. I see the same stuff. It's not the same stuff. Like I'll see stuff in the future type of joint and know the exact detail, the exact moment, the exact wording, everything. I'm like, oh,
Deja
here we
vu.
go. No, even with me saying here we go. So, now I had to stop for a second. Yeah, it's art. Yeah, that is art.
That intuition, that experience.
It's just experience, really, because it does the same shit over and over, bro. So my account's sitting at 2.5 right now, so 2.5% for the week. Not bad.
A win.
A win is a win. Well, honestly, I made like 1% on Friday, last week Friday, so it's like 1.5 for the week. Not bad. So far, and I missed 2 trades too.
Dude,
So
where y'all boys located at? Like Miami, New York?
nah, I live in Orlando, but I'm in Tampa right now. Still on
Oh,
Andre.
I don't know. I get New Yorker vibes.
No, I'm from New York. Yeah, definitely. I'm
He's
New
from
York.
there, but
Oh,
Dre from Philly.
hey, I'm a Florida boy. I'm an island boy. Like Florida, no. I ain't like no island boy
They'll be
nigga.
like that. They kiss niggas,
No,
bro.
wrong island boy.
Raw Island boy,
I-
bro.
no,
Island man.
island man. I'm talking about like no, cause my parents from Haiti type of shit. I'm from America.
Stop
Well, you
say.
see a lot of fucking New York and shit. New York and
Yeah,
Miami and shit.
I know what you
So,
mean, brother.
oh, and Jersey, especially Jersey. Man, nah, fuck it. Them niggas everywhere, bro.
They
The fuck?
everywhere, bro. What you talking about, Haitians?
Yeah, Haitians,
If
bro.
you slide to New York, this Flatbush, that's where all the Haitians live.
Well, you gotta hop in an Uber. You'll find some, bro. They be Uber
Yeah,
drivers.
they be driving.
Swear to
They be
God.
Uber drivers. That's a fact.
Yeah, but them niggas everywhere, man.
And you could just tell they just have like certain like energy. You could just tell, and that's how they talk.
Word. Sound fresh off the boat.
No, not fresh off the.
Yeah, 30's just playing around. It still has room to fall because it's so early, but we gonna
Oh,
see.
or it might take that power speech to really get
But that shit's
get
deep,
it
Oh
bro.
on
yeah,
top.
by that
It's in
time,
the next 4
I would
hours.
hope. I have my stop loss or TP hit by then. I would hope.
Shit, made 90 pips. I'm good. I mean,
I don't
shit,
even know
niggas
how
have a
much
hard
pips
time
this
making
is.
90 pips.
How much pips
And
this
shoot, it
is?
took me a while to get to that point.
Shit, caught more than me today.
I caught a cool 50, 55. Because I closed early. I would have caught 92.
I lost
I
about
caught 50.
40. 40.
Let me tell you the craziest thing, man. I made 200 pips. My dumb ass gave it all back.
When was that? Yesterday?
Oh yeah, that shit
No,
flying.
not yesterday. A long
R.I.P.
time ago.
Okay.
Like, I literally made 200 pips, gave all that shit back.
I feel that, bro.
Yeah, this trade looking like it's about to be runts. That's 2 L's for me today. Markets this week haven't been able to catch nothing like 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. Yesterday would have been my best bet for a good trade at 9:30, 10 o'clock on 30 after I ran the London low. But that's in hindsight. And I'm about to get stopped out. Right. Right up. I'm gonna just close it. There ain't even no point. I'm just gonna close that shit. But yeah, that's my 2 L's for today. R.I.P. R.I.P. Fucking FP week. Fucking FP week. But nah, this is definitely truth when it comes to when you should be trading. Cause last 4 weeks, I lost one trade. I only had one losing day, one day a week for a month. So it was 4 losing days out of the whole month, which is crazy. Cause I was trading like 4 days a week, 3 days a week. And then the week after, which is this week, I took 2 L's yesterday and 2 L's today. So just goes to show, can't win them all. Can't win them all.
Can't. I lose. So I lost last week. I mean, I made it back, but lost some last week even.
Shit, it happened. It just comes down to risk management. Like, I lost Monday and Tuesday, so today was a low risk, and I lost the day that was low risk. So it just comes down to having a process. That's what it is, a system. If I have 2 winning days, I can't trade the third. If I have 2 losing, can't trade the third. But in this case, I just did low as risk, so it's, in a sense, the same shit. But if you don't got a system behind it, shit, you can have the best trading months. All it takes is one bad week, tilt, getting your emotions, and then it's all runs. Did it all for nothing.
Yeah. I remember that movie from Friday. You know what I'm saying? You gotta live to fight another day.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fact. That's a fucking fact, bro. Live to fight another day. That shit going to TP3 hit.
Yeah. This shit just, like, in my opinion, there really wasn't even anything for me to take trade-wise that would have even played out. So a lot of the times, the days like this where I end up losing are days that I really couldn't have done too much anyway. The only thing that I see that would have been a viable trade setup, because I was watching that 1 hour for value gap, like 9:30. But looking at it after, the only ones that would have really played are the 4-hour gaps. But even then, the 4-hour gaps, 9:30 would have been the ideal play.
Yeah, would have.
Because I wanted to come a little bit lower, but looking at it hindsight, that would have been best bet for me. And then DXY is dropping like I expected. It is what it is. It is what it is. Just a trending day. Trending day. The days like this, if you're able to catch a low, you just hold all day. Which day was it just kept trending? Monday. Monday on 30. But nah, yeah. Those are my trades for the day. My L's. Call it. Anyone else? So I know Keno done trading. You got any trades, Brody? Or you already took out your US 30? Your US 30 trade.
Cool, you talking me, bro?
No, I know you closed. What is it? Dizon? You in US 30 still? Dizon?
Nah, he closed.
Oh, he closed too?
No, I was in the buy and then got out the buy, and I'm done. No, actually, I got stopped out on the buy in like what 40 pips, something like that.
Shit, win's a win. Win's a win. I'll take a win. Shit.
I ain't gonna lie. Shoot, last week I was ass.
Shit, that's me this week, bro.
I did good though, but I was ass though.
Yeah.
The journal, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it, but I did low risk. Like, this wasn't even my main account. I'm still gonna do it though, but it's not really gonna help my analytics. The numbers are gonna be off. But can't complain though.
There's people who lose a lot of trades. They just have that one trade and they're still good in their accounts.
So that's all it is. Risk management is 100% the reason why any successful trader is successful. Because everyone takes losses. Everyone trades differently. The only thing different between why someone is successful and why someone isn't is really what they do when it comes to how much they risk, how much they lose, how much they make from each trade, and how consistently they're able to do the same thing. Cause shit, we all trade different, but we all still are able to win trades and lose trades. So it's just a little bit deeper, a little bit simpler sometimes. A lot of people, they be putting a lot of time into the strategy, which is a big portion. You need to have a way to get in and out of the market, but if you don't know how to manage risk, if you're bad with the discipline of it, then that system don't mean shit, honestly. You are better off flipping a coin, honestly. Shit, you really could. Flip a coin at 9:30, you're going to win some trades. This is probability. Like, this is a chance. It's not smart. It's not, like, good long term, but if you can manage money, flip a coin at 9:30, only lose a certain amount, aim for a certain amount, risk management will take you far.
Very far.
I think if you, like, honestly, you don't even have a good strategy. You don't even need a good strategy a lot of the time. I've really come to that conclusion over time. Like, I spent a lot of time trying to figure out the best way to trade, when in reality, if I was just better with risk management, I could have been trading some bullshit. But I'm done, though. Somebody be out of here. Me and Keno about to get to work. It's phase 1 of the morning done. Phase 1.
Alright, y'all boys.
But all right, I'm going to talk to you, Dizon. We're going to be back tomorrow. Back to it. Good shit with the trade. Stay safe out here in Florida. And yeah.
Shoot, Florida weather's nice.
Nah, yeah, can't complain. It was a little nippy this morning, but shit. I ain't complaining. In Philly, I'm just fucking freezing right now.
It was freezing right
I mean, she was born and raised in Philly. I mean, but shoot. All right.
All right, bro. I'm going to talk to you.
Yep.
let me finish journaling and I'll be right there.
Nah, yeah, today isn't really a trade day. Today was my low risk everything. I traded a $50 account because last 2 days was out. So today, I already knew. Third day.
What's your trading account sitting at now?
That one was at 50. That was just small.
No, I'm talking about the
other was 1,000. But I haven't been trading the challenges. I can't deal with that fucking restriction shit.
It'd be annoying, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I like the idea of it, but to be able to do it and make money is a very stressful process. You need to have like a way of making money,
It's not
pass
meant
the
for you to
challenge,
win,
and then
bro.
go with the live account with confidence. It's hard to do it like with the challenge. Kills your confidence with a loss. At least with a regular account, shit. If I win, I can take it out. I can at least make myself feel something. Make it feel like something. Because when you go all them weeks with a challenge and lose it or some shit or fail, that shit is the worst feeling. Just feels like time gone. Forgot to end the stream. But nah, not bad. We started off the day with about a hour and 20-minute stream. Not bad. Not bad at all.